Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold is down by 2.02%. Gold slides amid signs of easing US-China trade tensions. As we all know, gold has been on a crazy bull run for a long time. For last couple of weeks and months, gold is on a crazy bull run. Gold have touched levels that we never expected. And lately, the main reason why gold was bullish was the tension between US and China. And now you can see that the tension between China and US is easing. Gold dropped 2% Friday afternoon to around 4240 per ounce, retreating from an all-time high of 4379.6 hitting earlier in the session. The pullback came as investor concerns over escalating US-China trade tension eased, so slowly things are improving between US and China. So if you want to read this article, I will put the link in the description. Now let's talk about a chart of gold. But before I proceed, I want to just tell you that if you are busy doing something, then please watch the video later because we are about to discuss some complicated stuff. I do not like to make complicated videos, but sometimes I am also helpless. So if you're busy doing something, then watch the video later. Or if you are free, then listen to me carefully. So the first question is, do we have a trend reversal here? Because gold has already witnessed a good amount of selling pressure. So is this a trend reversal on the chart of gold? The answer is not that simple. Personally, I don't think so that we have a trend reversal yet because we need further confirmation. Why? Because if you are a part of our free telecom community, then already you have the answer, because before this sell move, we have discussed about the possibility of this down move. This is our free telecom community. You can see that on 16th October, I posted on the telegram community on October 16. You can see gold correction alert. What was the reason? The reason was pretty simple. Let me take you to the daily chart. This is a daily chart of gold in front of us, and you can see obviously big correction is due on the chart of gold. We all have been waiting for a long correction, but if you observe the chart carefully, then there have been minor retracements on the chart of gold. Not good ones, but minor retracements. But when this up move came on the chart of gold, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 5 straight green candles, and there was no retracement. So we were expecting a good retracement on the chart of gold, and this came on Friday. So technically also, this was not a big surprise for us because we were ready for this down move. That's why I posted on 16 October that any day a move or retrace may come on the chart of gold. But still, for a trend reversal, we do not have any indication. Because you can see central banks now hold more gold than US treasuries. And if you browse online, you'll find that central banks are buying gold. If central banks are buying gold, then whatever we are witnessing here, this is going to be a temporary move. Means we are not going to witness a big downside on the chart of gold for the next few days. Maybe 1 or 2 days after that, gold may again continue the up move. If you're still not a part of our free telecom community, then please join. The link will be in the description so that you can get the timely updates and also my analysis from time to time. What's up, traders? Do you have the skills but you don't want to risk your real money? Then this one is for you. The FastBull Demo Trading Contest is officially open for registration. The contest is 100% free, zero risk, and the rewards are real funded accounts worth up to $9,000. So here how it works. You will receive a $100,000 virtual fund to trade, and you only trade on gold with 400x leverage. No commission per trade, no hidden fees. So it's totally 100% risk free. You can trade with peace of mind. It's your chance to show off that your trading strategy, and you compete with traders, thousands of traders across Asia, okay, all risking without a single penny. So I have also joined the contest myself, you can see here, okay, and I will be watching the leaderboard. So come and challenge me. Okay, so don't wait. Sign up now through the link in the description below and win reward up to $9,000 without investing a single penny. So it's all free. Not only free in terms of money, is also risk free. So feel free to join. The link is in the description. As we just discussed, my dear friends, that the indication of trend reversal is still not there because central banks are still buying. If you guys remember, okay, then when the year 2025 started, gold was obviously it was bullish, and the main reason at that particular point of time was central banks of India and China were buying. And if central banks around the world start buying again, then maybe okay, this up move, or not up move, sorry, maybe this down move on gold is going to be a temporary one. So my dear friends, Monday is going to be very important. Monday is going to be very important, very crucial rather, I would say. And if you have any ongoing position, you can continue, but be ready because market may show extreme volatility on Monday as well. And market opening is going to play a major role. So if you have any ongoing position, buy or sell, okay, I'm not going to comment on that because the trend of the market is not clear to us. Because as of now, technically we may see that the market may go down, but obviously we need more indication, we need more confirmation on that. Okay, so whatever I'm going to discuss right now on the chart of gold are only for Monday only. Okay, so the market opening is going to play a major role. So after the market opening, if we see gold going down, then observe the volume. If you see volume like Friday, then obviously market will be continuing the downside. Listen to me carefully. Okay, if gold breaks 4186, 4185, then you can expect downside to continue. And if you want to go for a sell, temporary sell position as a day trader, you can also look for a sell below 418685 if you see big red candles forming and market going down. But if market behaves like a normal Monday market, in that case, okay, you can expect the market to take support around this particular area. You can see it's a 15-minute chart, but the zone has become very big because of the extreme volatility. Okay, you can look for a buy around 4187 to 4195. This is a buy zone on the chart of gold. If you see market taking support, big red candles, forget about buy. If you see market taking support, market showing prices action from below, then you can look for a buy around 4187, 4195. How much you can expect? Initially you can expect 80 to 100 pips. If you want to hold further, it's up to you, but 50 to 100, not 50, 80 to 100 pips, okay, yes, we can easily expect in this market condition. Okay, and as you can see right now, okay, if I zoom in, market is already trying to take support around the previous resistance. So if you get some opportunity to buy around again, if you see the market is very slow, there is not much volume in the market, in that case, if you want to buy, you can also buy around 428, 4244, 4245. Personally, I'm not going to trade around this area because I do not like to trade when the market opens, because this is a one big lesson that I learned a long time ago, that you should always avoid trading at the time of market opening and market at the time of market closing because of crazy volatility. So if you want to go for a buy on 424445 at the time of market opening, it's up to you. If you see market is slow, market is taking support, then you can buy. Otherwise, avoid, just like me. So here you can go for a sell if market drops below 4186. Otherwise, this is also a buy zone for us. So it depends on the market opening now. On Friday, we saw market taking a market facing resistance around 4264. 4264 area. You can see this level was the previous support. It became the resistance. What? 4264. So if you want to go for a sell around this area, you can go for it. But personally, I will suggest you to go for a sell around, or you can look for a sell around 4284, 4285. This is the level where market faced resistance on Friday, but personally I'll suggest you to look for a sell around 428485. Again, it depends on the market opening. If market opens slowly, there is not much volume, then you can look for a sell around 428485. Why are we focusing on a market opening very much? Because the closing was dangerous. And if you observe the chart carefully, obviously market was under heavy selling pressure, but if you observe the chart, then you can see that there is also a structural change. Means market was no longer forming lower lows, rather market was forming a higher low here. Already we have seen on the daily chart of gold that these type of moves are temporary. Gold has been on a crazy bull run, but for 1 to 2 days, gold has also shown some retracement. So maybe this was just a profit booking. Maybe this was not due to the easing tension between US and China. Maybe gold is ready to go up again. So everything depends on the market opening now. So if you're looking for some good positions on the chart of gold, be a trader, not a gambler. Give some time to the market. Let the market settle first. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do not trade just for the sake of trading. You need to understand that we should only trade when the opportunity is right, when the market conditions are in your favor. So yes sir, on Friday also I could not upload any video, I was busy, but during the evening time I took two positions, and all my SLs were gone, because I could not follow the rules. I am also human, so be careful on Monday. Let the market settle and wait for the market to open. Again, I'm repeating, if market drops below 4186 and the same setting continues, we can look for a sell below 4186. But if market opens like a normal Monday market, we can look for buy around 4187, 4195. And if market goes up with low volume, then we can also look for sell around 4284, 4285. But on the chart of gold, market is already showing signs of trend reversal, means or structural change here. So maybe this was a temporary move. Maybe gold is ready to go up again. And obviously if central banks start buying again, then this is not a trend reversal. This is just a temporary profit booking or retracement. And obviously these moves are, or retracements, corrections are important for demand and supply. So everything depends on the market opening now. Let's see how does the market open. See ya on Monday.